Hey guys. Hey metal kids. It's race night tonight. It's race night tonight. Thursday, race night, metal kids. Race night. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh, my little sign fell down. We'll put that back up. My little sign, this fell down. The little sign fell over. Now we know. Now it's back in business. Now we're gonna be back in business in no time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, car went off the edge. It is race night, guys. Thursday, and it's race night. Need to get my hands a little break because I've been holding down on the fan. These. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Car went off track. Now, sometimes the car can get stuck. and then we put them back on the truck, and then there we go. If you don't go very fast, you're okay. If you hit it too much, especially way around the corner, it sometimes wants to go off track. But not a lot. It would sometimes want to go off track, and that's okay. We're just having fun. It's race night, and we are having fun. They get off track, they get up, get them back on track, and boom. Now we're gonna start sand. I'm just with an arm. Almost done. One more lap. And then we are done for now. Done! Stop recording.